Hey, what's up, guys? And welcome to another video. So in this video, we'll be doing unboxing of a new Mishimoto low temp racing thermostat that's going to be going in my 2009 Toyota Yaris sedan. This model specifically is the SUP-93TL. This particular model specifically goes in 1993 to 2005 Lexus GS300, 2001 to 2005 Lexus IS300, 1992 to 2000 Lexus CS 300, 2003 to 2006 Scion XA, Scion XB, 2005 to 2005, 2000 to 2005 Toyota Echo, 2001 to 2009 Toyota Prius, 1993 to 1998 Toyota Supra, 2005 and up Toyota Tacoma 4-cylinder, and 2007 to 2012 Toyota Yaris. This will fit any other car that, as long as it has let's see, the 1NZ FE engine, the 1NZ FXE, the 2JZ GE, 2JZ GTE, and 2 TRFE engines. So if your car got any of those engines or any of those specific models, this will fit it. What else? I know I'm missing some cars. Oh, Toyota Corolla. I can't remember which one it was, but there's a Toyota Corolla with the 1NZ FE engine. And for overseas, Vios, Belta, and a few others, but I ain't going to keep listing a whole bunch of cars. As long as just see, if you don't know if your car isn't on the list that I said, I also will list all those cars, specifically years, in the description. All the engines, I will also list that in the description. But what else? This one is let's see, since I'm modifying mine, obviously modified cars produce more heat. That's for turbos also charged cars, supercharged cars also produce more heat than what the stock form would produce. And for my build, I'm upgrading from the stock to this one. And not only I'm upgrading, let's see, like the difference between the OEM, the activating temperature is 82 degrees Celsius, which translates to 180 degrees Fahrenheit. And this one, it activates at 68 degrees Celsius, which translates to 154.4 Fahrenheit, which is approximately 26.4 degree lower activation temperature. So it pretty much allows your car to run a lot cooler. It also comes with a lifetime warranty. So enough with the rant and stuff. Here's the box that it comes in. I like the packaging. Looks like a little Rubik's Cube. Just what, four colors: orange, black, white, silver. So got the little logo right there at the bottom on one side. On the next side, you got push the limits in the center. Here's the part number. Well, the Pacific model, Toyota Supra Racing Thermostat, barcode. Oh, and this was made this year. It was made January 31st, 2020. You got on another side, you got recycle logo. Next side, same thing, logo at the bottom, made in China. So that's on the packaging. So let's open it. So right underneath the lid, you got the website, www.mishimoto.com. So take this out. Anything else in here? Yeah, that's it. So you get a little, oh, it's a product line booklet. So talking about the warranty, points, how it translates to dollar amounts, and products that they have. All right. Also connect with them on Facebook, Twitter, YouTube, Instagram, Google Plus, and I'm not for sure which platform that is. All right, so here it is. Let's cut open the packaging. So hold on. Alright, I'm gonna set this down so I can cut it real quick. Bear with me. Alright, so alright, here's the thermostat. Like I said, was 68 degrees Celsius, which translates to 154.4 degrees Fahrenheit. So it's nice build. And this is direct OEM fit, so you don't have to worry about doing no modifications or anything like that. So if you're not sure how a thermostat works, pretty much this is the side that goes inside the engine and then this sticks out. When the coolant's hitting this, once it gets to its maximum temperature that this is supposed to activate, which is 68 degrees Celsius or 154.4 degrees Fahrenheit, it would compress the spring and this will open to allow the coolant to flow out from the engine and cool down, and then it'll close when it's below the temperature, below 68 degrees Celsius or 154 degrees Fahrenheit. So that's how it works. Already got this. So I'll soon be doing a install video. So that's it for this one. I appreciate you guys watching. Stay tuned for the next one. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel to support. All right, so appreciate you guys. See you in the next one.